Why is the office market in Southwest Florida so hot? We just got our third quarter market beats, and we're going to talk about just that today. Welcome to What's Next in Commercial Real Estate in Southwest Florida. I'm Gary Tasman with Cushman & Wakefield Commercial Properties, Southwest Florida, and today we're going to talk about the third quarter office market beats. The market in office for Southwest Florida has bucked all the trends nationally and even in the state of Florida. We're the hottest office market in Florida. We're the hottest office market in the Southeast. We're not the biggest market, but people are expanding their businesses here at a record pace. When you have a housing market as hot as it's been in Southwest Florida for as long as it's been, and you have the construction market as hot as it's been as long as it's been, it's natural to expect that businesses that support that population and businesses that support the other businesses around construction and real estate and finance and healthcare would also be growing. The vacancy rate for office across the board in Lee, Collier, and Charlotte County combined is only 4.6%. To put context to this, in a typical market, speculative office development typically occurs when the vacancy rate gets below 10%. But what's happening this time is the office buildings are getting planned and built so fast and absorbed before they even come out of the ground that a developer who's going into spec office space has typically got his space leased before he ever breaks ground. What I believe we're going to see is continued growth that will only be limited by the number of employees a company can find and how quickly space can be delivered to the market. So I think that as we go forward into 2022, rents are going to go up and vacancy rates are going to stay flat and continue to drop. I see a day where businesses are going to start to share office space with other businesses just because there's that much demand. It works. If you think about the trend of some employees not coming to the office every day and working remotely, it's not that hard to figure out how two businesses or three businesses could share the same type of space. And so as the market gets tight and the cost goes up, I think that's a real possibility. I also think that you're going to see on the government entitlement side and approval side, we're going to see fast tracking of land to be developed, and we're going to see a lot more land development take place, which will continue to feed the fury of this office market, which I think is going to really, really drive us well into 2022 and 2023. I think we're at a new plateau and we're only going to go up from here. Will we have a correction? Eventually, yes. But that correction's not going to bring us down below where we are now. It's just going to slow the rate of growth from here up. So if you want to better understand our office market, give me a call. We have complete data, we have historical data, we have projections, and most importantly, we have pipeline information, which tells us what's in permitting and where the market's going to go next. So I'm Gary Tasman with Cushman & Wakefield Commercial Property in Southwest Florida, and I'd love to talk to you about your office needs or about your interest in investing in office or even possibly becoming a developer or being a developer who would have an interest to spec office, because now's the time.